Cooperative organizations. The cooperative society is the voluntary association of persons who join together for mutual help. Cooperative organizations are easy to form and they have limited liabilities, also have equality in voting status. This they get support from the government also. But the cooperative organization has some disadvantages like limited capital, inefficient management, conflicts, lack of secrecy, and excessive government control. The types of cooperative organizations are consumer cooperative society who join together to get steady supply of essential goods at reasonable cost. Producer cooperative society who help the small producers to get raw material inputs machineries. Cooperative marketing society, it is the association of producers who find difficulty a market for their product. They join together to get a smooth distribution of their product at competitive price. Cooperative credit society, the persons who join together make an association who find difficulty to get loans. They keep themselves from the exploitation of money lenders. They get loan at reasonable rate of interest. Cooperative farming society, it is joined by the persons to get the benefits of mechanized farming. Cooperative housing society, it is the association of people seeking residential accommodation. They join together to get house on easy terms and installments. Joint stock company, it is an artificial person having separate legal entity, perpetual succession and common seal. The features of joint stock companies are separate legal entity, perpetual succession, that is long run, limited liability, common seal, carried on by all or any of them acting for all. The merits of joint stock companies are large capital, continuity, growth and expansion, efficient management, easy transferability of shares. The demerits of joint stock companies are lack of motivation, lack of excessive delay in decision, disputes among the various groups, unhealthy speculations, pressure on government decisions,